In today's video, I'm going to be testing out these Amazon glass tumblers. I tried these out a while ago in my convention oven and it didn't go so well. I'll try to have that video linked so you can see that it did not go so well. So now I'm going to try it in my tumbler press and let's hope for the best. Maybe the tumbler press will be better. So if you want to see if it turns out good or if I got ripped off and it's not a sublimation blank, just keep watching. If you're new to my channel, my name is Leslie. My channel is all about crafting on a budget. I do sublimation and sewing videos. So if either of those things interest you, please consider subscribing, joining my YouTube family. Make sure to hit the bell notification button to be notified every time I upload, and check out my website at soulpresscreate.com. Anything I use in this video is going to be linked in the description down below. So go check that out. And let's jump into this video, hoping it turns out okay. I went to Creative Fabrica to look for a design. I typed in 16-ounce wrap and there were so many options, so many cute ones. I ended up picking this flower one. And I brought it over into Affinity Designer and just exported it as a JPEG. Okay, so before we actually sub this, we're gonna first check our pressure. And I'm just gonna stick this in here just to find my pressure before I turn it on. Okay, that feels like pretty good pressure. I don't want to crack it, but I want it to be having a good seal and not space between the glass and this, but I don't want a lot of pressure because again, this glass that's gonna break. It's not like a stainless tumbler, that stainless steel tumbler that is metal. So find your pressure. Now that we have our pressure, we're gonna turn on our heat mug press or a tumbler press. And we're gonna read the instructions. So it says for a tumbler press to set it at 374 degrees Fahrenheit for 6 minutes. So while that's heating up, we're gonna move on to prepping our glass. For this, we're gonna need our glass tumbler. You wanna again make sure to take off the lid. You want your sublimation design. I'm using A-sub paper for this project. You want some butcher paper. If your sublimation paper bleeds through, you definitely want some heat gloves. You don't want to skip on heat gloves for this because this is glass. It's going to get really, really hot. And then you want some heat tape. You can take some rubbing alcohol and kind of clean off your tumbler with the lint-free rag. I'm just using a piece of cotton fabric because your girl is lazy to go find something else. Once you have that, you want to take your design and you want to kind of trim one edge, and then you want to take your glass and you want to just line up your design where you're going to want it. I would take the side that you cut off first and then take the other side. You want to make sure you're kind of lining it up nicely. Bring the other side kind of just tightly. Then you want to take your heat tape and you want to just tape that seam nicely. And then once you tape your seam across, you want to tape it this way as well. Trimmed my design on the top and bottom just because I felt like it was too much paper. So I'm going to take some tape and I'm going to tape that inward all the way around. Just taping it all the way around and bringing it in. I repeated that for the bottom. So I have my top all taped all the way around and I have my bottom taped as well. Now I'm just going to get my butcher paper and I'm going to trim it down to the size of this. And then I'm just going to tape it on here. And now we're ready to move it to our mug press. Hopefully this works. Let's see how well this works. Okay, let's see. We're going to put this in for the time it says. And again, the instructions say 374 degrees Fahrenheit for 6 minutes. Okay, I'm going to rotate this because the top part of my tumbler didn't get pressed. So I'm going to carefully rotate this. Oh, my butcher paper is coming undone. Just so that that side also gets pressed. Okay, so I'm going to take it out now slowly. I'm going to let this cool down before I take off the sublimation paper. Okay, moment of truth, y'all. Let's see. Imagine if this is not even a real sublimation tumbler and they just ripped me off. Start trying to take off where the seam is. It's still a little bit hot. It's glass, so it takes a hot minute to kind of cool down. Okay, let's see. Moment of truth. There's a lot of paper residue on here, but we're gonna clean that with water and see if that comes off, which it should. I probably had too much pressure on it. So, I mean, I can see the design on there. There's definitely a lot of paper residue, so I'm gonna just clean that with some water and see if that comes out. I scrubbed and scrubbed, y'all, with soap and water, and that white, whatever that is, it's like a, it's not even, I don't know, it's not really like paper residue. It's like, I don't know. I really don't know. It even has like the tape marks, so I don't know if I just had too much pressure on it. It just looks kind of foggy, and I don't know if you guys can see that. Do you see it? Yeah, you can see it. All of that, it's everywhere. I follow the instructions, and I don't feel like the design, I feel like the camera's making it look more vibrant than what it looks like in person. I don't feel like the design came out very vibrant. Like, I don't know. I think I just got like bad ones on Amazon. Let me know in the comments down below what your favorite ones are so that I can test them out, because I like the idea of these. I think they're really cute, but I just don't think these were very great ones. But they do come with these little rubber things to put on the bottom, kind of like the tumblers. And then we have the little lid and the plastic straw that comes with it. So they're cute. In essence, they're cute, right? Like, I think this style is pretty cute. The seal is very good on the lid. Like, that's a very good seal on there. But I don't know. Let me know down below what your favorite ones are. That's really bugging me. Do you see that? I've never had any of my sublimation things have that. And no matter how hard I scrubbed, it just was not coming out. It has tape marks and everything on it. So, right here, you can see this is where my seam was. And you can literally see, can you see that? I don't know if the camera's picking it up. There's literally the tape marks on there. So I probably did have too much pressure, which sucks. But again, just let me know what your favorite ones are so I can try them out, because I really want to nail this, because this is so cute and these will make great gifts. Well, y'all, I even put this in my dishwasher to see if that would help. This is an epic fail. Like, I don't know if this is not a real sublimation tumbler. I don't know what happened, because I've never had this happen before. And the colors are not even, like, the colors are not vibrant. They really are not vibrant. Like, there's obviously some design color on there, but it's not vibrant. So this was a fail. Like, don't buy these. Don't buy these. Again, let me know in the comments down below if there's a brand that you guys like a lot of these glass tumblers, because this one was not it. I tried it twice. I've never had something from Amazon that didn't sub well. Like, this is my first time buying something that didn't sub well. I've ordered tumblers from there. I've ordered keychains. I've ordered a bunch of sublimation blanks from Amazon, and I've never had a problem. This is my first time. And I followed the instructions to a T. So I don't know. I'm not happy with this, but don't buy these. I'll have them linked down below so that you know not to buy, which ones not to buy. So let me know in the comments down below your thoughts on these. Let me know what your favorite brand, whether it's on Amazon, wherever you get them. I would like to try some that actually work, because this was not. This is basura. It's garbage. It's not good. Not good. Anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you for supporting my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. My gosh. And don't forget to hit the bell notification button so you can be notified every time I upload. I upload on Tuesdays and Fridays. I know this video is coming live on Wednesday. Don't judge me. Don't judge. It was supposed to come yesterday, but it didn't make it. Anywho, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.